Hi everyone, this is a full review of the best toothpaste you can buy for yourself. Now, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I post a variety of different videos that are educational and informative. And click on the notification bell so you are alerted when I do post those videos. So do that right below. And let's jump into it. These are a variety of different products I have purchased now and I have been utilizing for over several months, and some of them for several years. And I wanted to make this video because there's so many different toothpastes out there. There's natural toothpaste, there's fluoride toothpaste, which a lot of dentists really recommend for anticavity and antigingivitis and whatnot. And these are the top brands out there for toothpaste. I mean, there's a bunch of other ones out there like Sensodyne for sensitive teeth, but these are the normal ones for folks that don't have sensitive teeth. And they all cost very different. This one here by Crest, this is the highest priced Crest toothpaste as of this recording in 2022. This is the Advanced Gum Restore Deep Clean. This is from their Crest Pro-Health gum line products. This product here costs about almost $9 after tax. This was not a cheap product. I purchased it from Target, so I know sometimes in Walgreens or CVS they're much more expensive, but I checked at Walmart and you're looking at about the same price, so not too much difference. As you can see here, has the active ingredient stannous fluoride, which is 0.454%, which is pretty high actually for a product of this usage. It says it aids in the prevention of cavities, helps prevent gingivitis, helps interfere with the harmful effect of plaque associated with gingivitis, and helps control plaque bacteria that contribute to the development of gingivitis. So this is the top end toothpaste from Crest. But doesn't mean that this is the best one that you should choose, and I'll tell you why. I've used different Crest products in the higher end ones, and these are great. They really do the job, but they create a lot of additional issues. And what I mean by that is, Crest came out with a basically mouthwash. It was like the highest end Pro Health, mouthwash. And people, including myself, I went online, I had to research this, but many people had issues with desensitizing of their tongue and mouth, and just different issues like that. And I was very surprised that they were still selling that type of product. But this product here, I have not noticed the same issues, but I'm pretty sure over a certain period of time, it would create somewhat of a problem. I noticed as well using this type of toothpaste that not only the calcium deposit in my mouth, but the growth of cavities was much higher, which I was super surprised on because this is basically the top of the line to prevent that. But I noticed it came back much faster, which is really weird. And it wasn't because of diet or whatnot, but it kind of accelerated, I think, a lot of the different things. So that was very interesting. I'll have to get back to you guys on that, on what Crest says. This is another high-end top product of Crest. This is the highest priced one that they had for whitening boost. And this one has 3% hydrogen peroxide, which is a pretty high amount for a toothpaste. But this is not for cleaning, this is more of whitening. So you can see right here, apply whitening boost to toothbrush, brush for 1 minute, spit, rinse, and reveal your smile. Look at the warning sign here though. If more than use for brushing is accidentally swallowed, get medical help. Or so I mean, they say this in all items, but I mean with the 3% hydrogen peroxide, that could be kind of an issue when you do swallow it. This product does work if you are wanting to whiten your teeth, but the issue of this product is it creates a strong sense of sensitivity in my teeth. And not only of my teeth, but other folks that have used this type of whitening boost, products, they have much more sensitive teeth. So, do I recommend it for whitening? Absolutely. I think it does whitening the teeth. But after utilizing it a few times, the sensitivity in my teeth from drinking, certain cold drinks that never had issues before are now much more sensitive, even to that. So, I don't recommend it if you are wanting to purchase this and you have sensitive teeth. I highly not recommend it. Going and then by the way, this is about $9 as well, close to $9 after tax. By the way, look at this. It's 2.3 ounces. This is a very small product. So this one as well is about 3.7 ounces. Now let's go to Hello. Hello is a brand that is kind of leaning towards the healthier ingredients and whatnot. And I have utilized this product. Now you can see right here, it's pretty thinned out for almost 7 months. And you can see right here, it has activated charcoal, which promotes, I guess, a lot of folks have stated that it helps out in terms of whitening. So that's why they call it epic whitenings, because of the activated charcoal. They have fresh mint and coconut oil. And coconut oil basically soothes the gums and the mouth, and then the mint is for basically flavor. So let's go to the back here. As you can see, it's free from artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, dyes, fluoride, SLS sulfates, microbeads, parabens, dairy, and gluten. Okay, and you can see from the ingredient list, it does have certain properties. Xylitol, that's more of a sweetener. Charcoal powder, like I had stated, that's for whitening and also freshening the breath. Xanthan gum is a thickener. Titanium dioxide is a mineral. That's to help remove certain deposits on your teeth and mouth. And you can see right here, the rest of it is a cleanser. Coconut oil, like I said, soothes and moisturizes the mouth. Potassium sorbite maintains stability. And the rest is history. But you can see right here, all the ingredients are certified organic, which is nice. But it does help with not only whitening teeth, but also remove plaque when utilizing it. By the way, this toothpaste, when I first used it, is pure black, but you gotta be very careful when using it, because when you do spit it out, the charcoal does get around in the sink, and it will make a black mark if you're not washing it off. So keep that in mind. I paid about $5 for this product. So cheaper than the other products, and you get more. It's 4 ounces, and is a healthier ingredient list as well. Has it cleaned my teeth really? I mean, well, yes, it has. I'm very surprised about it. Has it removed, certain deposits and I mean, as you can see right here, it helps in terms of the plaque. Has it helped in terms of that? Yes, it has. So I do recommend this product if you're wanting to try out something that's very natural and good for your mouth, and it does help out in terms of whitening over time. Let's go to the next product here. This is a product that I purchased from Whole Foods. They don't sell it at Target or Walmart or anything like that. They sell this at Whole Foods, and you can purchase it on Amazon. And by the way, if you guys are interested to purchase any of these products here that I'm reviewing today, I will post a link down below in the description so you can be able to purchase this, okay? So this product I purchased because it was very interesting and very unique. I purchased it because not only was it a very natural toothpaste, but it's a clay toothpaste. And you can see right here, this is the company name. It's called Redmond. But of course, with this one, there's no fluoride, there's no glycerin, no artificial coloring, no foaming agents. Okay, and it's about 4 ounces, and I had paid at Whole Foods for this product about $6. So by the way, $6 is Whole Foods prices. So Amazon will probably be cheaper. I will post that below. with the link in the description. But let's go into details here. Um, you can see right here, they don't add titanium dioxide to make it white, nor do they add any foaming. I mean, this is the most natural toothpaste you guys can be able to get out there. And the next toothpaste I'm going to review is going to be very natural too. But this is basically, look at the ingredients here: purified water, food grade Redmond clay, xylitol, which is for sweetener, wintergreen essential oil, menthol, Redmond real salt, and tea tree oil. So the predominant ingredient is the Redmond clay, okay? And you've got some other types of oils that are very natural, but that's all you get. As you can tell, the ingredient list is much, much less than the Hello toothpaste. Does it do a very good job of cleaning? Not really. And, I have used a considerable amount of this type of toothpaste. So, I wanted to make sure that, and I took my time in brushing my teeth. But I noticed with this toothpaste, it just doesn't, it takes a lot longer to clean the teeth. It is the most natural toothpaste, which I really do appreciate. But it doesn't do a good job on cleaning the mouth. So you're gonna have to utilize this product, a little bit more on the toothbrush. But overall, if you're looking for something very, very straightforward, natural, that will remove a lot of the deposits and whatnot in your mouth, highly recommend Earthpaste. So, and then let's go to the final toothpaste here. This is Dr. Bonner's, and Dr. Bonner's makes a variety of different products out there, including toothpaste. And this is the spearmint one, but they also have a couple of the peppermint and a couple other flavors. But as you can see right here, it's fluoride free, 70% organic ingredients, helps freshen breath, whiten teeth, and reduce plaque. And I've got to say, it does do that. There are no foaming agents with this. Even if you can see right here, there's no artificial preservatives, color, flavors, or sweeteners, and low foaming. Okay, and it's very true. There's not much foaming in it because I wanted to reduce that. And as you can see right here, it's about 5 ounces. And I roughly paid about $7 for this at Whole Foods as well. You can probably find it cheaper on Amazon, but Dr. Bonner's toothpaste in general is, not cheap. It doesn't go under $5. You can see right here, this is the ingredients that, well, not the ingredients, but the reasons why this really stands out. These are the ingredients right here. You can see right here, they're very, very natural, very straightforward, and they're really good for the mouth. I mean, they're not really synthetic or whatnot. So, does it clean? In my opinion, yes, it does clean my mouth. It doesn't have the foaming capability like the Hello brand or this Crest toothpaste. But some people may not want that or like that. They don't want foaming agents in their toothpaste. So, to those that are looking for a toothpaste that doesn't have much foaming, has really, really straightforward, good ingredients for the mouth, Dr. Bonner's is probably the next one up in the lineup. So, if you're looking for, in my opinion, something that is very, very low ingredients, go with the Earthpaste. There's not many ingredients with it, very low ingredients. It does clean the mouth, not to the degree that I would like it to be, but it does a pretty good job at it. So you'll have to make sure that you brush your teeth though. At least twice a day they recommend dentists, but maybe some more because of the product itself. Dr. Bonner's is another one that I do like because of the ingredient list. But I've got to say, the Hello brand, I'm really impressed by them. They also have really good ingredients. It does a really good job of cleansing and cleaning my mouth. So I do recommend this product. I mean, they're a pretty good company as well. So out of these, I would pick up the Hello first, and then the Dr. Bronner's and Earthpaste. But like I said, depends on, what are you looking for in a toothpaste. If I'm really wanting something that will, if I'm having issues with my teeth or my mouth or my gums, I would go with the Crest. And the reason why is because it really does the job the first time around, but I would not recommend using it on a daily basis. I really do feel that these products, because of the ingredients and because of the way they are, they will cause issues down the road. I'm pretty certain. So I wouldn't recommend them on a daily basis, but I would recommend them maybe once or twice a week, just to make sure if your mouth is not being cleansed or cleaned as much with these toothpaste, you can use the Crest and it will cleanse your mouth and do a pretty good job at that. Now with the whitening, I would not recommend it, but for folks, I mean, especially for folks that have sensitive teeth, but for folks that are really wanting to utilize this maybe once a week or twice a week maximum, and I wouldn't maybe use both of these twice a week. I would probably use one of these maybe once a week or whatnot. Then go for it. But then again, the charcoal, activated charcoal from Hello, and by the way, a lot of other toothpaste products have activated charcoal, but this one is the best one in terms of natural ingredients, and this, everything in general is good for your mouth. I would go with the Hello over the Crest. But folks are looking for something that is quick, easy, boom, get the results right away. But there are some side effects with that, I'm pretty sure, with everything in life over time. So, anyways, I hope this is a pretty good review for you all. Just to kind of see the price of the products, the ingredients of the products, and the different products that are out there. If this is helpful or you like the video, please press the like button. It's going to help out the YouTube algorithm. And comment down below if you've tried any of these type of toothpaste before in the past. Like to hear your thoughts on which one you feel was great for your mouth and cleansing it, and that you enjoy. Comment down below on that, and comment down below if there's any other toothpaste that you feel that should be reviewed. Happy to try them, happy to purchase it and try it out here on the channel, and I'll let you know my thoughts on the cleansing part and if it's done a phenomenal job or whatnot. So with that said, also subscribe for more videos and check you all out on the next one. Thanks.